In this video, I wanted to talk about the informed consent form or the consent form for the studies that we have. The consent form outlines in everyday language what the study is about. It tells you um, what the medication is, what we're trying to do, what are the potential side effects, how long the study is going to be, what each visit would entail, and what to expect, and even your compensation schedule for each visit. Um, but the thing about the consent, the part that's most important from patient perspective is the list of side effects that are listed on there, and wanted to kind of address what that is. We got to look at that in a with a healthy perspective, so that you don't get scared unnecessarily about those potential side effects. So I explain it by looking at the potential side effects that you would, the list of it, at least, that you would get at the local pharmacy when your physician prescribes medication to you. You go and get it filled at a local pharmacy, and they're obligated to give you the long list of potential side effects. And sometimes those side effect lists are very heinous ones, like they may even list cancers and death and all kinds of stuff like that. But usually nobody stopped taking the medicine because we know that the incidence or the chance of getting those side effects are very, very low, and you trust your doctor's recommendation, and you need those for your condition. And so patients, most people take those medications because the benefits far outweigh the risk of getting those side effects, which are very minimal risk. You can still get it, but the chance of you getting that is very, very low. So in clinical research, there is no pharmacy where you could get our medications. So we are the pharmacy to you. So we are obligated by law to give you the same list of side effects in a form of a consent form. So in fact, the list that the pharmacy gives you actually came from our consent forms. And so these list of potential side effects are the chance of you getting those are very, very minimal. Could you get them? You could, but usually usually it's not really observed, and some of the side effects are more common than the other ones, and those I usually address it during a question and answer session after you have read the consent forms, and so we can review that and see if that's acceptable risk to you. And anyways, I hope that clarifies the some of the things in the consent form, and make sure you don't sign the consent without my presence. We have to do it together, and you can ask all your questions after you read them, and I will address all of your questions.